Yes, I am audible and visible to everyone. Pipine. Pipine, I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay. Take out your math magic. Take out the math magic. Yes, Pipine, take out math magic. See, in previous class, that means on Friday, we have completed up to page number 57. Isn't it? Up to page number 57, we have completed, and I have told you that you will color the grid. In page 57, the last question, it was 16 squares, and I told you that the first is 2 by 8 red, 1 by 2 yellow, and 1 by 4 green. So, out of 16 squares, 4 you will color red, then 4 you will color blue, and 8 you will color yellow. And how to find these numbers? I think you all know how to find these numbers. We have already practiced this on Friday. That 2 by 8 of 16. There are 16. Since there are 16 squares, that's why 2 by 8 of 16. 2 by 16. Then 1 by 2 of 16. And 1 by 4, it was green, and 1 by 4 of green is 16. That we have calculated, and it was 8. See, if you are not able to see me, disconnect and join again. Shorik and Shrija. Okay, this was the last question we have done on Friday. Now come to page number 58. This is the word problem. Everyone come to page 58. This is the word problem. We will start doing the word problem. Okay, I am reading, you go through it. Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? Now see, in the picture, Ramu is standing and he has a vegetable field, and what type of vegetables he is growing, it is shown in the picture. See, first one is the chilies, isn't it? Then potato, brinjal, tomato, and I think this is spinach, isn't it? So the question is, what vegetables does he grow? What you will write? Shrija, from our side the connection is okay. You check your own connection. You check your own net connection, Shrija. From our side it is perfect. So kindly you check from your own. Okay. Yes. See. So what vegetables does he grow? What you will write? Ramu grows vegetables like potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, chili and spinach. Okay, this is the question. I think this question you can write off your own, nothing to write in maths. Now after that, come to the next one. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? Now you have to find out that out of the 1, 2, 3 and 3, 9. Out of 9 squares, you have to find out that which vegetable is maximum. That will be the biggest part of his field. Okay, see, in the picture, here are 9 squares, isn't it? Here are 9 squares. So out of this 9 squares, you have to find out that which has the biggest number, or which is the bigger one. Which vegetable he is growing the most. You can see the tomatoes, 1, 2, 3 part, isn't it? Everyone switch off your microphone. Everyone switch off your microphone. Everyone switch off your microphones. Okay. Otherwise the voice will not be clear to you. Yes, it is tomatoes. Tomatoes are growing in the 3 part. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Potatoes in the 2 part. 1 and 2. Similarly, brinjal 2 part. 1 and 2. And 1 part for chilies and 1 part for spinach. Okay. So the question is, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field? So answer will be tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. What part? Now it is asked what part, means it is asked the fraction. So what fraction you will write? What fraction you will write? Write the fraction on the chat box. Write the fraction in the chat box. Everyone kindly switch off your microphone. Everyone switch off the microphone. Yes, it is 3 by 9 because, yes, you all are correct. It is 3 by 9. Out of 9 parts, 3 parts are for the tomato. Okay. Yes, you all are giving the right answer. It is 3 by 9. Now this answer you will write in your copy. Okay. So I am writing on the board, you write from the board. As a 3 by 9, how can you write in other way? 3 by 9. 3 by 9, how can you write in other way? Write over the chat box quickly. 3 by 9. Shrija, you can hear me. 3 by 9, how can you write in other way? I want the answer from your side, 5 pine. 3? No, it is wrong. Arnab De, it is wrong. Not 3. 3 by 9, in other way, what can you write? 3 by 9. Yes, this is the right answer from Shomojit Maji. It is 1 by 3. Ayush, in other way, what can you write? Shaurik, it is wrong. Not 1 by 9. Chatik, Shreya, it is correct. It is 1 by 3. 3 by 9, you can write in other way as 1 by 3. Okay. 3 by 9, you can write in other way as 1 by 3. Yes, Nilanjan, it is correct. Okay, now start writing in your copy. Shrija, disconnect and join again. Shrija, disconnect and join again. Then you will be able to see the board, because from our side the net connection is proper. Okay. Yes. Other students, write from the board. This is page number 58. Page number 58. Answer 1. I am not writing the question, I am just writing the answer. Okay. The answer is tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. Now what part? It grows in the 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. When you will cancel 3 by 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay. So 1 by 3 part of his field. Okay. Now come to answer number 2. Come to answer number 2. On what part of the field does he grows potatoes? Now find for potatoes. Now answer me for potatoes. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So Ramu grows potato on 2 part, isn't it? Out of 9, 2 part he is growing the potatoes. So it will be, write the answer 5 pine. I am waiting for your answer for potatoes. For potatoes. Why there is very much noise? Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Yes, everyone just switch off your microphone and your camera. Then only you will be able to see and hear. Yes, you all are giving the right answer. It is 2 by 9. You all are giving the right answer. It is 2 by 9. Okay, now write the answer. This is the answer for second one. Ramu grows potatoes on 2 by 9 part of the field. Now come to answer 3. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? Yes, spinach is only one, so it will be how much? Spinach, write down for the chat box. Yes, Shomujit Maji is correct. It is 1 by 9. Out of 9 parts, only 1 part is for spinach. So it will be 1 by 9. And what part is for brinjals? What part is for brinjal? Write for brinjal. Brinjal is for, out of 9, it is 2 parts. That means, yes, 2 by 9. Yes, very good. 2 by 9. Now write this answer in the copy. One by 9. One by 9 part is used for growing. 1 by 9 part is used for growing spinach. And 2 by 9 part is used to grow, used for brinjals, for growing brinjals. For growing brinjals. What is this means? Calling Shatik De? Okay students, now come to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Now you write some questions by looking at this picture. Now you have to make your own questions and you have to write that one. What questions can be if you are writing? Shorik. What type of thing you are writing? Anyone is calling to him means? He should connect again. Shorik, disconnect and connect again. Okay, see. So, what more questions can be? You can ask that what part of the field is used for growing chilies, because there is no question for chili. So, you can ask for chili. Then, which two vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? Can you answer which two vegetables are grown on equal part on the field? Can you answer it? Ayush, turn off your camera, not my one. And Kaustubh, switch off your camera. Kaustubh, kindly switch off your camera. Yes. Shomojit, it is right. Chilies and spinach 1/9 and potatoes and brinjals. These two are sharing the equal parts, isn't it? Okay, write the fourth answer. Write the fourth answer. The question is, now you write some questions by looking at this picture. So you have to make the question. It will be what part of the field is used for growing chilies? In exam these questions can come, okay, whichever questions which means this the extra questions, these extra questions can come, okay, so prepare it. Now second, which two vegetables are grown on equal part of the field? These questions can come in exam, okay. Students, you try to do here only, okay. It is not sure that I can put this video in the YouTube, okay. Yes, now come to the next page. Page number 59. Page number 59. Now come to page 59. Ramu wanted, this is also the what problem. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakar 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Shrija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Wow, Shrija, you are at home and you are getting the tomatoes and Ramu is giving you, okay? Such a nice thing, Shrija, for you, isn't it? By sitting home, you are getting the potatoes, no, the tomatoes. Isn't it, Shrija? Even your cheeks are also like tomatoes, red. Right, Shrija? Your cheeks are also red like tomatoes and you are getting tomatoes at home. Okay, now come to the next one. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakar's share in blue. Circle Shrija's share in yellow. Yes, Ayush, disconnect and join again. Ayush, disconnect and join again. Yes, Oindrila, you are right. It is very funny. Okay, so now you have to find that number of tomatoes Abu Bakar got, then number of potatoes Abu Bakar got, and number of tomatoes and potatoes Shrija got. Okay, and whatever is left, that will be the part, or that will be the part of Nancy. So at the last you will find for Nancy. So start for finding number of potatoes and tomatoes for Abu Bakar. Okay. So from the back we can see that out of 9, 3/9 part is for tomatoes and 1/5 he has given. Yes. This is page number 59. Question number 1. Now one thing you tell me, total number of tomatoes. Can you guess what is the total number of tomatoes? Yes, Majhi, you are right. He will get 4 tomatoes and 6 potatoes. Can you tell that what is the number of tomatoes? Then only you will be able to find, isn't it? Quickly tell me. How 20? How 20? You all are right. But how? Total number of potatoes is 20, but how it is 20? How it is 20? A very simple answer, 5 pine. How it is 20? Exactly. The picture which is given below you have counted and in that it is 20. Isn't it? In that it is 20, but in the exam this picture will not be given to you. Isn't it? In the exam this picture will not be given to you. Okay, start writing. First you will write number of tomatoes. It is 20. We have counted from the picture. Now for Abu Bakar's share. Share for Abu Bakar, isn't it? Abu Bakar's share of tomatoes is equals to 1/5 of 20. See, I have not written the fraction. The fraction is already given in your book. Okay. If I could have written that fraction of Abu Bakar's share, it will be 1/5. But in place of that, directly I have written Abu Bakar's share of tomatoes. It is 1 by 5 of 20. That means 1 by 5 into 20. Cancellation, it will give you 4. That means 4 tomatoes Abu Bakr has got. Okay. This is for tomatoes. Now for Shrija. Take it out for Shrija. Shrija's share of tomatoes. It is given 2 by 5 of the tomatoes. That means 2 by 5 of 20. That is 2 by 5 into 20. So cancellation, it will be, yes, 8. 5 ones are 5 fours are, and 4 twos are 8. So they have got 8. Shrija has got 8 tomatoes. Abu Bakr has got 4 tomatoes. Now for Nancy. Can you find for Nancy? Nancy's share of tomato. Nancy's share of tomatoes is equals to, the total was 20. Whatever was left, it was for Nancy, isn't it? So the total tomatoes was 20. Out of 20, 4 Abu Bakr has taken and 8 Shrija has taken. So 8 plus 4 minus 20, isn't it? So this will be 8 plus 4. That means 20 minus 20 by, yes, Nancy got 8. So this will be 8. Now you will find for potatoes. Okay. Now you will find for potatoes. I am rubbing. Now number of potatoes as you have counted from the picture, it is 18. Now as you have found for Abu Bakr's tomato share, now you will find for potato share. Share of potatoes, it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of 18. That means 1 by 3 into 18. 3 ones are and 3 sixes are. So 6 potatoes he will get. Now for Shrija. Shrija's share of potatoes, it is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 of 18. That means 3 by 6 into 18. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So 3 threes are 9. 9 for Shrija. Now whatever is left, that is Nancy's share. So you will find for Nancy's share of potatoes is equals to, there are 18 subtracted 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, isn't it? 9 plus 6 is 15 and 18 minus 15 is 3. 18 minus 15 is 3. Understood this question? Now at the last you will write the answer. After this you will write the answer that, and in the book you will circle. In the book you will circle, okay? In the book you will circle, means the share of Abu Bakr, the share of Shrija with different types of color pencil or with different types of color pencils also. You will circle the tomatoes and potatoes of Abu Bakr's share and Shrija's share, and whatever will be left, that will be for Nancy. Okay. One more question is there. How many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get? Did Nancy get? It will be, Nancy got 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. this is answer number 2. Nancy got 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Nancy get 3 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. And for first one you will write that Abu Baker's got 8 tomatoes. Sorry, Abu Baker got 4 tomatoes, Shrija got 8 tomatoes, and Abu Baker got 6 potatoes and Shrija got 9 potatoes. Okay. So that's all for today. These 2 questions kindly you practice at home. Okay. It is very easy, and how to convert the fraction into numbers you will learn at home. So kindly do this one, and today's homework is in page number 60. In page number 60 there is a game, okay, activity game is there. Read that game and try to do it. It is an activity